Welcome, dear investors and traders. Today, we're conducting a detailed technical analysis of SGHC stock on the NYSE, using data from March 31, 2025, to June 27, 2025, as of 10:31 p.m. +03 on June 29, 2025. Let's break it down step by step. General overview and trend. SGHC stock kicked off at $6.44 USD on March 31 and climbed impressively to $11.10 USD by June 27, delivering a solid 72% gain over the period. The overall trend is unmistakably bullish, with the stock breaking through key long-term levels and showing sustained upward momentum. Volume has surged, especially in the last few days, with 4,407,537 shares traded on June 27, reflecting heightened market interest. This suggests a strong uptrend, though recent overbought signals warrant caution as we approach the next trading session. Price and volume. The price journey started at $6.44 USD and peaked at $11.10 USD, with notable volatility along the way. Key highs include $11.11 USD on June 27, while the lowest point was $5.59 USD on April 7. Volume began at 936,540 shares and has shown significant spikes, particularly on June 27, with 4,407,537 shares, up from 1,707,524 the previous day. This sharp increase in volume alongside the price rise indicates strong buying pressure, though it could also hint at potential profit-taking. Moving averages, EMA and SMA. Looking at moving averages, the SMA_200 at $8.24 USD and EMA_200 at $9.67 USD provide long-term support, both well below the current $11.10 USD, reinforcing the uptrend. Short-term SMA_5 at $10.32 USD and EMA_5 at $10.48 USD are closer to the current price, suggesting a possible consolidation phase. The SMA_50 at $8.81 USD and EMA_50 at $8.77 USD lag behind, while the SMA_10 at $10.02 USD and EMA_10 at $10.11 USD align with recent price action, indicating the stock remains above key short-term averages. Technical indicators by group. Starting with momentum indicators, the RSI_14 at 83 signals overbought conditions, suggesting a potential pullback. The MACD at 0.55 with a positive histogram of 0.11 supports ongoing bullish momentum. For volatility, the Bollinger Bands show the upper band at $10.80 USD breached, with the middle at $8.87 USD and lower at $6.94 USD, indicating high volatility. The ATR_14 at 0.35 USD confirms increased price swings. Trend indicators, like the ADX_14 at 0.43 reflect a strengthening trend, while the Arun oscillator at 1.00 highlights a strong uptrend. Oscillator indicators, such as the stochastic RSI_K_5 at 1.00 and stochastic_D_5 at 0.92 indicate overbought levels, aligning with RSI findings. Linear regression based on the closing prices from March 31 to June 27. A linear regression analysis suggests a steady upward slope with a trend line approximating $9.50 USD at the start of June, rising to $11.10 USD by June 27. The R-squared value, derived from the data, is close to 0.85, indicating a strong linear relationship. This supports the bullish trend, though the steepness suggests potential overextension. Next trading day opening prediction for June 30, 2025. The opening is likely to range between $11.00 USD and $11.05 USD, given the strong close at $11.10 USD and high volume. However, the overbought RSI and potential profit-taking could push it slightly lower to around $10.90 USD if selling pressure emerges early, resistance and support analysis, and intraday movement styles. Key support levels are at 10.80 USD, upper Bollinger Band, and 10.00 USD, recent consolidation zone, with the current price of 11.10 USD sitting 0.30 USD above the upper band, indicating proximity to resistance. Resistance is likely at 11.20 USD, just above the high of 11.11 USD, with a potential stretch to 11.50 USD if momentum holds. Intraday movement could see a dip toward 10.80 USD if sellers act, or a push toward 11.20 USD if buyers dominate, depending on early volume. Intraday ATR_14 based high and low estimates with an ATR_14 of 0.35 USD. The intraday high could reach 11.45 USD, 11.10 plus 0.35, and the low could drop to 10.75 USD, 11.10 0.35, assuming typical volatility. This range reflects a 0.70 USD potential swing, consistent with recent price action. Possible scenarios: in a bullish scenario, if volume remains high and RSI cools slightly, SGHC could test 11.20 USD, or even 11.50 USD with strong buying. A neutral scenario might see sideways movement between 10.80 USD and 11.10 USD as the market consolidates. In a bearish case, a drop to 10.00 USD is possible if profit-taking intensifies, especially with the overbought RSI. Conclusion: SGHC is riding a powerful uptrend with a 72% gain and robust volume, supported by moving averages and MACD. However, the RSI at 83 and breached Bollinger Band suggest a correction risk. Traders should watch support at 10.80 USD and resistance at 11.20 USD. For aggressive traders, a hold with a stop loss near 10.80 USD makes sense, while cautious ones might wait for a dip. Subscribe, hit the bell, drop your thoughts in the comments, and catch you next time.